Your problem is that you can't sit and work on something meaningful for a long period of time to see great results. Is that right? तो इस वीडियो में I will show you the exact 5-minute system जो मैं यूज करता हूँ to enter the state of deep work every time on demand. This is something that I learned during my days at IIT Roorkee, जहाँ पर the only way to survive was to produce real high quality work. Step number 1 is that you need to lower the entry cost. देखो, deep work has nothing to do with discipline or motivation. उसकी जो real problem है that is starting. आपका brain work को hate नहीं करता है, it just hates the cost of starting work. So first thing that I always do is that I lower that entry cost. इसके लिए मैं कोई बड़ा task pick नहीं करता हूँ. I pick a very small clear action. For example, अगर किसी presentation पे काम करना है तो I do not pick a task like work on the whole presentation, but the smallest clearest task is that I will open one slide and fix just the title. जैसे ही आपका brain argue करने लग जाता है उस task से related, that means that task is too big and it will not be able to handle it. तो इसीलिए you have to make it so small that your brain has no reason to resist. Step number 2 is that you need to commit to that task for just 5 minutes. उसके बाद मैं एक छोटा सा टाइमर लगाता हूँ for just 5 minutes. This is actually not a deep work session, but this is my entry into the deep work. So in 5 minutes के लिए I do not care about the output. I do not care about the quality. I do not care about the results. The only thing that I care about is that I have to stay with that task for just 5 minutes. इस phase में you are not trying to be productive. You're just trying to cross the starting line. Step number 3, you need to remove shallow work decisions. देखो, अगर आप deep work में बैठना चाहते हो तो deep work का जो biggest breaking point है that is not distractions. Deep work breaks because your brain keeps making small shallow decisions. आगे क्या करना है? Should I reply to this message? Is this the right task? Messages आते हैं, notifications आते हैं. There are a lot of quick checks that you need to do. So before I start, I decide everything. मैं क्या काम कर रहा हूँ, कौन सी tabs मेरी खुली रहेंगी, what does not get touched. No emails, no WhatsApp, no switching. Deep work actually requires a closed environment, not a motivated mind. Step number 4, let the momentum take over. So usually what happens is जब आप इस टास्क के साथ 5 मिनट तक बैठ जाएंगे, the resistance will go away. The work will pull you in, and 80% of the time you will not stop when the timer ends. You will stop forcing attention, you will stop watching the clock, and you will just keep going. This is the phase or state of deep work. यहीं पर real progress होती है. This is where promotions are earned or where money is made. Deep work is not about working longer. Deep work is about working at your full depth. And depth कभी आती है? Depth तब आती है जब आप start करते हो. Step number 5, and it is very important, is that you need to lock this deep work identity. This step is very underrated but very powerful. Every time you lock in this identity, something changes. When you're doing deep work, you're not just finishing tasks. You're training your brain to enter depth. आप एक ऐसे इंसान बन रहे हो who can sit with hard problems for a long period of time. You're becoming a person who can produce real output. Someone who can compound his skill instead of staying busy in small, shallow work. This identity is what separates high performers from everybody else. How do I know this works? I know this because मैं feelings पर rely नहीं करता हूँ. I actually measure my focus and deep work over time so I can see exactly how my performance has changed. अगर आप भी इसको measure करना चाहते हैं तो you can check the link in the description for a scientific focus audit जो कि मैंने prepare किया है. You can use it to track your deep work and see where you need to work on and what's really improving. How do you get real results with this system? First of all, you need to pick one time slot when you feel like you're at good energy level. It could be morning or afternoon or after lunch, whatever. उस time period में you need to pick your most important task जो आप करना चाहते हैं. Not urgent work, not admin work, important work. The work that actually moves your career or business forward. And just dive in using the steps that I've told you earlier. Try this for 7 days and notice करो how many hours of real work you are suddenly producing. And I'm sure you will be surprised. And now if you want to see the one thing that you're missing to be successful in your goals in 2026, check this video.